add a cantilever landing onto a staircase, first place the staircase onto the drawing. In this case we use a 10-leg stair with an 8'6" bay. Once the stair has been created, we need to remove the existing landings and substitute them with cantilevers. Rather than deleting a landing, what we actually do is to convert the bay into a connector bay. Once converted, we can then collapse the bay. And in our side settings, we can select the side that we want the cantilever to be on, and also the size of the bracket. In the model view, we can now see the cantilever landings on one side. To do the other side, select the bay and once more turn it into a connector bay. And as before, collapse the connector bay. In the side settings, we select the side that we want the cantilever to be on, and also again we could change the size of it. Once done, we've now got cantilevers on both sides and on every level. However, we'll probably not want the cantilever on the bottom level, so to remove this, go into conceptual view and select the cantilever you wish to remove and use the delete bays option. This now removes the cantilever and has the landings exactly where we want them.